Did you know there is a powerful natural compound that has been scientifically proven to help you to lose weight, balance your blood sugar levels, and even improve your gut health? This natural weight loss game changer substance is taking the health world by storm. And even it is called as natural Ozempic. So, if you're struggling with stubborn fat or looking to kickstart your weight loss journey, this video is for you. Let's uncover how this secret natural compound can help you to shed pounds and feel amazing. Hi, I'm Dr. Anshul Gupta, a board certified physician with advanced training in functional medicine and integrative medicine. I help people improve their chronic health conditions by making personalized functional medicine plans. Weight loss is a constant struggle for a lot of people, especially if you're struggling from thyroid issues, Hashimoto's problems, then weight loss becomes even challenging. You might have tried different kinds of diet or extensive exercise routines, but still you are not losing this stubborn fat. And today I am sharing with you this natural compound which has recently become very popular because it can help you to lose weight, especially the stubborn fat around your belly area. This secret natural substance is called berberine. Berberine has shown in research studies that it can help you to lose weight quickly, plus it helps you to manage your food cravings and also improves your metabolism. Backed by science, berberine works differently than most of the other supplements in the market. It is targeting fat at the cellular level, and that's the reason you get great results by using this berberine. So let me share with you this natural Ozempic called berberine, how it actually works in helping you to lose weight, what are its benefits, and how to properly use berberine to help you to lose weight. And more importantly, you need to know who are those people who should not be using berberine because it can actually be harmful for your body too. So let's first talk about what is berberine. So berberine is a natural compound which is found in plants like barberry and golden seal. It has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, especially improving your gut health. But the recent research study showed that berberine can improve your metabolism as well as improve insulin sensitivity. And one of the most recent study published in 2024 showed that berberine also increases GLP-1 levels in your body, thereby mimicking the work of Ozempic in your body. And that's the reason it is becoming popular as being called as natural Ozempic. So let's talk about various ways how berberine can be helpful for losing weight. So the very first way berberine can help you to lose weight is that it stimulates the secretion of GLP-1 molecules in your body. Now this is the same mechanism by which various medicines which are becoming popular like Ozempic also work. Now the good part about berberine is that it doesn't have all the side effects that the Ozempic can give to you, plus it is dirt cheap. A recent study showed that berberine metabolites such as berberine and palmitin significantly elevates GLP production in your intestinal cells. And by increasing the GLP levels in your intestine, it helps you to manage food cravings as well as improves the insulin sensitivity, and that's the reason it helps you to lose weight. The second mechanism of berberine is that it activates AMPK. This AMPK is actually your body's fat burning switch. By increasing the activation of AMPK in your body, berberine boosts the metabolism and helps your body to burn that stubborn fat which you have been storing for a long time. The next mechanism by which berberine works in your body is by improving the insulin sensitivity of your body. Insulin resistance is a major reason that we keep on gaining weight and we are unable to lose this weight. So by improving the insulin sensitivity, berberine helps your body to lose that excessive fat which you are accumulating. The last mechanism by which berberine helps you to lose weight is actually helping in rebalancing your gut microbiome. We have trillions of bacteria that lives in the gut, some good and some bad. The recent research studies show that when there are certain kind of bad bacterial overgrowth in your gut, which causes your body to gain weight and not lets your body to lose weight. And berberine, by getting rid of this bad bacteria from your gut and improving the levels of good bacteria in your gut, improves your chances of losing weight. So you see, these are all the different mechanisms by which berberine is really very useful in losing weight. And it not only does it by increasing the GLP-1 levels like Ozempic, but it has other mechanisms of actions. So it is a perfect weight loss supplement for you. The next question is that how to use this berberine and what is the right dosage that you should be consuming. So the right dosage of berberine to be consumed is 500 milligrams 3 times a day. Typically, this is the dosage which has been studied in research studies that can boost the metabolism and can help you to lose weight. Now you have to take berberine 3 times a day because berberine has a short half-life. What that means is that it is only in your body for 4 to 6 hours. So to have the complete action for 24 hours, you have to take it 3 times a day. The next thing to know is that do not take berberine empty stomach, but take it just before your meals. By taking it with meals or just before your meals, you are stopping that blood sugar spike which happens with food. Plus, by increasing the GLP-1 secretions, it improves the insulin sensitivity and doesn't let your body to pack that excessive glucose into the fat in your body. So thereby taking 500 milligrams of berberine 3 times a day, specifically with your meals, with your breakfast, lunch and dinner, will be the best way to take this. Now the second tip of taking berberine is that, especially for people who have thyroid disorders like hypothyroidism and Hashimoto's disease, research suggests that berberine, when taken with selenium, zinc and magnesium, works really good for people with thyroid disorders. So that's the reason when you're taking berberine, it is very important to supplement with selenium, zinc and magnesium together also, especially if you have thyroid disorders, so that you can get the additional benefit of that weight loss. Now it is very important to take the right form of these minerals as well as in the right quantities. That's the reason I have formulated a special thyroid supplement which has all these ingredients into it in the right form and the right dosage. The link will be in the description if you want to buy it. Now the next question is that who are those people who should be avoiding berberine? So if you are a pregnant female or if you're breastfeeding, then do not consume berberine because they are not safe to consume during that time. The second set of people who should not be consuming berberine is that if you are on certain medications, especially if you are on blood thinners or if you are on diabetes medications or blood pressure medications, please consult your doctor before taking berberine. Same thing, you should consult your doctor if you have a liver disease or a kidney disease before starting taking berberine. As always, to get the maximal benefit from any supplement, it is very important to work on your lifestyle choices too. So combine this berberine with an anti-inflammatory diet as well as an exercise routine on the daily basis. When you combine these supplements with your diet and exercise, you are going to get great results. Berberine is not a medicine, it is a natural compound, so it will take 4 to 6 weeks to show results. So be patient and be consistent with following the lifestyle changes along with berberine and the thyroid supplements, and within 4 to 6 weeks, you should see difference in losing weight, especially around your waistline. So there you have it. Berberine, the secret weapon for fast and sustainable weight loss. So if you are ready to lose weight, improve your metabolism and feel amazing, berberine might be the right solution that you have been searching for. I hope you like this video. Please share in the comment section after you have used berberine with lifestyle changes, what improvements you have seen in your body. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you like this video so you can keep on getting this great information in the future also, as well as share this video with others who might benefit from this great information too. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.